Welcome to Sleep Pills, where we share stories with you. By them, you can get sleep or enjoy or get motivation. Let's begin today's story, that is Grandma's old alarm clock. There was a boy in a village. His name was Arjun. Every morning he would wake up late for the school. His mother would scold, his father would get angry, but Arjun's sleep never ends on time. One day, Grandma opened the old wooden cupboard and brought out her vintage alarm clock. She handed it to Arjuna and said, "This clock was gifted to me by your grandfather when I became a school teacher for the first time. It doesn't just tell the time, it reminds you the responsibility." Arjuna smiled and kept the clock by his side. But that night, he forgot to set the alarm. The next day, he was late to school again, and the teacher punished him. He returned to home upset. Grandma didn't say a word. Only the tickling of the clock echoed the silence. That night, Arjun carefully set the alarm. And the next morning, for the very first time, he woke up all by himself without anyone calling him. Slowly, the clock became his habit. He became punctual. He started doing well in studies. Every morning, as soon as the alarm rang, he would wake up with a smile and say, "Good morning, Dadi's time." Years passed. One day, Arjun received a scholarship letter from college. The house filled with joy and celebration. But Grandma was no longer in this world. She passed away. Arjun quietly picked up the clock, pressed it against his ear. Tick, tick, tick was there by the clock. He whispered, "Grandma, the time you gave me is now changing my entire life." And there is a message: small disciplines of time build a great life. Yes, small disciplines of time build a great life. So work on time and do according to time. Like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon for get more stories like this. Hope these stories motivates you. Bye bye for now.